Judge tosses suit by New York woman who died in blizzard. Fox News. Fox News Digital Network. Fox News. Fox Business. You Report. Fox News Radio. Fox News Latino. Fox Nation. Fox News Insider. Login. Account. You're logged in as. Profile. Log out. Search site. Listen to Fox News Radio live. In air now. In air personalities. Home. Video. Politics. U.S. Opinion. Entertainment. Tech. Science. Health. Travel. Lifestyle. World. Sports. In air. Previous slide. Next slide. U.S. Home. Crime. Economy. Immigration. Disasters. Terrorism. Military. Education. Environment. Scandals. Regions. Smarter America. Judge tosses suit by New York woman who died in blizzard. Published September 7, 2013. Associated Press. New York and a judge has tossed a lawsuit filed by relatives of a woman who died while waiting 2 hours for an ambulance after a blizzard paralyzed New York City in December of 2010. Kathleen Thomas was 51 when she suffered a fatal heart attack after slipping in the snow. Her boyfriend called 911, but the city's emergency response system was in disarray. Ambulances couldn't get through unplowed streets. People waited hours for help that normally comes quickly. The family lost on a technicality. Manhattan Supreme Court Judge Margaret Chan said that under an obscure law, the city can't be held liable for delays in care unless a 911 call is made by the injured person or an immediate family member. Thomas' sister, Simone Pascal, said she feels betrayed by the ruling. Print. Email. Share. Comments. Recommend. Tweet. Share this article. View article. Please enable JavaScript to view the comments powered by Discourse. You must log in to comment. View article. Advertisement. Trending in U.S. 1. Citing costs, again to move retirees off health plan. 2. Convicted killer Drew Peterson fears for a life in prison, report says. 3. Judge tosses suit by New York woman who died in blizzard. 4. Disabled get kicked off U.S. Airways plane in service dog dispute. 5. 3 stranded in iced helicopter on remote Alaska volcano. See all trends. Smarter America. Smarter America. Bucking the trend, teaching responsible fatherhood. Hackers find weaknesses in car computer systems. Law enforcement to get on social networking site. Bank rates. Mortgage. Home equity. Autos. CD rates. Loan type graph rate plus slash dash last week. 30Y fixed 4.60%, 4.46%, 15Y fixed 3.61%, 3.49%, 30Y fixed jumbo 4.81%, 4.70%, 5/1 arm 3.78%, 3.56%, 5/1 jumbo arm 3.29%, 3.30%. Find personalized rates search. Loan type graph rate plus slash dash last week. $30 K-Helic 5.05%, 5.04%, $50 K-Helic 4.73%, 4.72%, $30 K-Loan 6.30%, 6.29%, $50 K-Loan 6.13%, 6.13%, $75 K-Loan 6.11%, 6.10%. Find personalized rates search. Loan type graph rate plus slash dash last week. 36 MU to 0.43% to 0.39%, 36 MU to 0.63% to 0.57%, 48 MU to 0.51% to 0.45%, 48 MU to 0.62% to 0.57%, 60 MU to 0.56% to 0.50%. Find personalized rates search. Loan type graph yield plus slash dash last week. 6 months 0.39%, 0.39.